White miso provides big flavor quick, and rice stick noodles cook quick, making this perfect for a weeknight meal. Firming up that chicken in the freezer ahead is going to make this easier. Whenever you're going for a fine dice, it's easier when your chicken's cold. Way better than ground chicken. We're going to put big flavor in that chicken quickly. Garlic, 2 cloves, soy sauce, salt, white pepper, and sake. The alcohol is going to help pull those flavors in. This is why I use gloves. Because of the sake, that'll do its job quickly. Rutabagas. The peel is edible, but for me, it's a textural thing. They're known for their light cabbage flavor. The idea is to match the chicken in size. So everything's getting cubed the same. Rutabagas and parsnips. An all-white stew. Rice stick noodles, the wide ones. Soaking them in hot water won't cook them completely, but it'll help remove that excess starch from the outside. I like going old school with thick asparagus. And they'll break exactly where nature intended, leaving just a tender part for you to eat. Microwave, steamed, air fried, or broiled, with a little salt and olive oil. That's all they need. Start with those diced onions. With a little salt, keep that heat kind of low. We're not looking to put color on these. Add your chicken. Chicken gets a head start. Now you can add your root veg. Cover with water and heavy cream, which is going to sweeten them up, especially those parsnips. Now we just need everybody to get tender. Salt and big umami flavor we're getting from white miso for this white chowder. The skin contains lemon oils, which will also be released into that, permeating the sauce. Soaking them will keep them from sticking together. They just need a minute to cook through and a little bit of sesame oil. Air fryer or broiler, asparagus cook in like 5 minutes. So put them in right before service. White noodles. White chicken miso noodles with rutabagas and turnips. You don't need that lemon peel, but give them plenty of veg. Couple asparagus, but it needs a little contrast of sweet soy. And chili oil for those who want to spice things up.
It's like Asian chicken fettuccine with root veggies. It's just such a light, creamy sauce. It's like fresh, clean Asian chicken fet. Is that gluten-free?
Without the soy sauce and the right miso, it could be.
The sweetness of the soy drizzled on top, oh my God, it does. It works. It works really good. I don't know how you come up with this shit.
It's weird, but it fucking works.